accessed the Himachal Police's FIR and they have made some sensational and damning allegations. As per the FIR, the charge against the Delhi police is that the CCTVs and the hard disks were taken away by the Delhi cops without any information about the same or the receipts or procedure being followed. My colleague Amita is with us as she gets us the details of this FIR that has been accessed by our teams on the ground. Amita, take us through what the FIR says.
Yes, so just going to briefly put out certain pointers there because it is quite in detail, and Priyank has helped us decode and access this FIR that has now been accessed, Sagrika, where several sections of the BNS that have also now been invoked. And more importantly, as far as this FIR is concerned, as you were mentioning, it does really point out as far as CCTV footage, hard disk, DVR, and of these individuals that was also taken up. All of this has now been involved with electrical and electronic goods and record player that is now said to be involved in a case crime and a DVR as well. So that seems to be, as far as the main charge is that of obstruction, that seems to have now been leveled. But this is now coming in from both sides of the police there, governed by different state governments. Whereas politics seems to be now taking precedence over investigation.
Absolutely. Is politics taking precedence over investigation? Priyank, we've accessed the FIR. Some sensational allegations have been made. The kidnapping charge was also leveled. But tell us about, will these charges hold in the court of law? And do you think now, whatever happened in the last 24 hours, will this also become part of the investigation as the Delhi police continues to press for remand of the accused in the case?
Sagrika, things are going to be fought before the court now because the Delhi police will have to move to the higher courts for the stay on this particular FIR. This is what we have seen in the Jharkhand incident where the FIR was filed against the ED official by the state police of Jharkhand, and similar kind of thing which we have seen in Punjab when the Delhi police team and the Punjab police team had a tussle in between each other. But this is also very serious thing in nature, that why police officials are being stopped from performing their duty. So the political leadership is certainly one of the concern which has raised this kind of point time and again. Similar kind of thing had also happened in West Bengal. While talking about this particular FIR, Sagrika, there has to be stay on the arrest of the Delhi police team from the court. If that is not the scenario, then the Himachal Pradesh police is very well within their rights to summon these individuals, the 20 police personnel from the Delhi police, and then that can lead to further tussle in between both the sides. So the court is certainly one of the last place which can stop the tussle in between the police versus police, the cop versus cop, which is happening here for the first time probably in Himachal Pradesh and the Delhi police team. So we'll have to wait and watch what will be the legal recourse which will be taken by the Delhi police official. While talking about the other three accused, they are on their way to the national capital. Their MLC has been done in Ambala, and we are expecting that around 12:30 to 1-ish, they will be produced here at the Patiala House Court. So the total number of arrests count to 12. 11 of those who were part of this protest. 12th one was the main key conspirator, Bhanu Pratap, who's the IYC president. But amidst that, the tussle in between two state police forces is making this case more interesting and, important.
Yes, has added a whole new layer to the entire controversy, which has also become political, with the Prime Minister also slamming the Congress party for their, what he called the Gandhi and Nangi Rajniti. But let's also tell our viewers about more information that we've accessed. The Delhi police team resumed its journey last night after the accused, like Priyanka has been telling us, underwent medical examination at the Deen Dayal Upadhyay Zonal Hospital in Shimla, and this happened late last night. But however, the controversy didn't stop there. Their convoy was also stopped again at multiple locations, including at one of the areas near the Shogi border. Why? Because the Shimla police then demanded that only 3 Delhi police personnel should escort the accused back to Delhi. With that, viewers, we have to shift our